Now, what if I want to know about the table before running my query? To do that, I can use describe command. If I just do describe and the table name, it will list the columns of that table. It will also list the data type of each columns. So, to get information about the product table, we can run describe product, or we can use the abbreviation DESC, pronounced as describe still, followed by product. Now let's do some examples. Okay, the first command is describe DBA underscore table spaces, highlighting it, and I'm going to run it. So it brings me information about DBA underscore table spaces. It contains these columns and the data types and whether they are null columns or not null columns, which we will talk later. Now let me run this abbreviation. So it does the same thing. Thank you.